Yo guys, yun nga, tapos na kami kumain. Instead of classic Savory, doon kami sa Wings and Things nag-lunch. Bakit? Kasi super puno na sa classic Savory. Daming tao dahil sa Mother's Day. Medyo late na kasi tayong lumabas kaninang tanghali papunta ng SM. So right now, uwian na. Pero bago umuwi, drop by daw muna kami na DJC, hello, hello.
Bye.
Hello, hello. Alright, so super init. So kailangan nating mag-refresh at mag-chill. So it's Mother's Day ngayon. Let's go to Tiwi Albay. Kasi tomorrow is Election Day. So pipila tayo tomorrow sa mga school, sa mga polling precinct. Alright, let's go. Okay, pagas muna tayo guys. Bakit masaan daw?
No, it's not. Okay, okay.
Bakit maiyak?
Ayan.
Ito po.
No, listen, sit up down dyan. Nag-play ka lang kitang phone.
Right.
You can
So
sleep
yun
with
guys,
Mom if you like.
nagpagas muna tayo. 500 lang. Back to back na yan. From Tiwi to Legazpi. From Legazpi to Tiwi and back and forth. Alright, let's go.
No, let's go. Sige na.
Okay guys, rawis na tayo. Walang masyadong traffic kasi lahat ng tao siguro, karamihan nasa malls, namamalengke, yung iba kumakain kasi at the same time Mother's Day. Lahat ng mga restaurant sa loob ng malls, sa loob ng mall ay puno. Oh, di ba? Malilipot na kami guys. Kahit malilipot na tayo, konting push na lang. Tabako na, malinaw, and TV. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, tabako na tayo. Ayan, after malilipot, syempre tabako na.
Mommy, this is a ferret.
Downtown, tabako tayo.
Ferret.
Ferret? What's that? Is that a parrot?
No, ferret.
What is a ferret? It looks like a squirrel. I don't know what's a
Downtown,
ferret.
tabako.
What's a ferret?
Ah, you're right. Araw-araw ni City, di ko inaaraw.
Alin? Alin?
Uning-aning mga...
Hey guys, malinaw na tayo. Malapit na sa Tiwi. And at last, we're here na yung Tiwi. Ilang kilometers na lang, ma-reach na natin yung destination natin. Saan na tayo pupunta, mami?
DJC.
Okay, DJC Halo Halo, the original Halo Halo in Bicol region. See you in a bit, DJC.
Maybe this time louder in the morning.
We're fine.
Maybe now we can louder. She's back in
This life
and it feels
so wide. Maybe this time love won't end.
Alright, thank you so much, City. Now, andito na tayo sa Tiwi, downtown. Tiwi Municipal Hall. Ito yung sikat na butardo.
Ano yan?
Napapara-vlog nila,
Ano ba yun?
Ludwig Vines. Gcash padala.
Uy, bukas.
Alright guys, we're here. DJZ Halo Halo, okay?
Yes.
Pwede na tayo bumaba.
Papa, wait lang. Mait
There.
muna tayong halo-halo para hold.
Yung cellphone ko, mami.
Ay, nakay City.
Cellphone ni Tadi.
Mahal pa open ka na din.
I want to go here.
Ako, after we eat, madyan tayo.
Hindi.
Oo, ano yan? Ito, ano ko yan? Mamaya tayo mapunta dyan.